Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can insert serial number in your table. So if the table is short, then it is not difficult, you can insert manually. But if the table is long, the conventional method is you can write 1 here and 2 here and select both of these cell and double click at the corner, so it will fill all the rows. But the issue in this technique is if you want to delete any row, so it will not adjust automatically, and for example if you forget to manage, so it will create problem. So avoid this, what we can do, we can use the formula. There are two formula available, you can use any whatever suits you. For example, the first formula is you can insert is equals to here and write row, bracket open bracket close, and write here -1 because I want formula not to consider the first row, and hit enter. So apply this formula on each cell, and if you want to delete any row, it will adjust automatically, it will renumber every cell again. And the second formula is what you can do, you can insert another formula, hit is equals to write sequence, and it will ask you four things. The first, how many rows numbers you want to insert. For example, initially I want to insert 10 numbers in 10 rows. The second thing, it will ask you in which column you want to insert this sequence, in first column. The fourth thing is from where you want it to start. For example, I want to start from 1, and if you want to start from 5, so you have to insert here 5. And how many steps, for example after 1 you want to write 2 or 3, or you want to skip some number. For example, after 1 you want to write 3, or you want to add odd number, so you have to insert here 2. But I want the sequence, so I have to write here 1 bracket close, hit enter. It will insert a serial number in 10 rows. And if you want to delete any row, no problem, it will arrange automatically. So this is the way you can insert serial number without any worry, and you don't need to renumber each and every row again and again.